Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a vlog, kind of a vlog, more of a test shoot with a Nikon 1J3. Now I recently shot a video on this camera for you guys, showing you that you can use an older camera and still use it today and get good results. So what I'm going to do is just work off of that and actually shoot like a full day's vlog, try to get some B-roll and some other, shots. Then I'll share the settings with you and you can decide if a camera such as the Nikon 1J3 is good enough for you today. So without any further delay, let's get right into it. Okay, so what I'm doing today is I have to make these replaced walls look like these walls. I don't know how well you can see that, but that is the mission today. And also out here as well. So you can see I've already put sheetrock up and I already put the mud on it, so I just need to get to sanding, try to make it look normal before I throw some texture on it to make it all blend in. Okay, so phase one of the sanding is complete. Now we just have to touch it up. Okay, so I don't know how this little camera's doing in this quite low light situation. It's inside. There's a couple lights on, but nothing really that bright. But how's the little Nikon doing so far? And the next step that we have to do today in fixing this house and getting it ready for rent is underneath the cabinet here. As you can tell, there's quite a few pipes and stuff, and what had happened is there was a leak that was going on that rotted out the whole bottom of the cabinet. So you can see I went ahead and cut out some 2x6s and placed them in the bottom to support the shelf. And so now we just have to cut out the new shelf in order to put a new one in and call that done. So let's get to it. Just a little bit of advice. Whatever measuring tape you use to measure, you also use it on the cut side too. Use the same tape through the whole project, because there might be a difference between the one you're using and another one, and you don't want to have that error. Oh yeah, measure twice, cut once. A sawhorse? No problem. Use a trash can. Shelf complete, just a little trim work, a couple of nails, and that part will be done. Okay, so we're in the truck. We're halfway through the day. We're going to run up to the store, get a little bit of lunch, come back, and try to get everything wrapped up. Okay, so as you just saw on the little clip, we drove to the 7-Eleven there to get lunch, and on the way back you'll see when the footage stops, the little Nikon 1 actually overheated at 1080p at 60 frames a second about 15 minutes in. I'll double check and make sure that that's not the record limit, but I'm pretty sure that the record limit is 22 minutes or something like that, but I'll double check that. You'll just see it flash on the screen what the record limit actually is. But let's not forget about lunch. We have the aloe and pomegranate water. It's like water that has actual chunks of aloe inside of it. You get to chew your water. My wife thinks it's gross. I think it's amazing. We also have the most wonderful Italian wrap. It could have been in there a day, it could have been in there a week, it could have been in there a month, who knows? As long as it don't make you sick, it don't matter, right? And last but not least, we have go-go juice. I normally don't drink this because I am in my later 40s and I don't want to explode the old heart, but today I got a lot to get done still, so I really need to get moving. And that's lunch. Okay, so now we're going to do us a little vlog test outside, walking around in the backyard. There's no stabilization, or when I say no stabilization, it's only what's in the camera. I'm not using a gimbal or anything like that. I just want to see how stable this camera is and how does it look outside, middle of the day, walking through grass. And I'm not ninja walking or trying to be sneaky or nothing like that. It's just a normal gait, just a regular walk. So, how shaky is it? Is it usable? Would you be satisfied with this? Tell me what you think. Drop a comment down below. Alright, so it's been a full day. It's evening time, the sun's going down, and I'm old and tired and my joints are hurting. But the rental house is almost done, and this is going to wrap up the little trial vlog for the Nikon 1J3. So let's get into the settings. I'm going to post them on the screen so you can see what they were.